for the information of everyone, as to the suspected dengue cases reported from January up to now, it has totaled to around 446 already, which is, if we will compare it last year, in terms of the month of July, kumbaga we have only total around 300 plus na cases. Pero ano lang yun, kumbaga for 2023, 300 plus for the entire year. Pero kumbaga wala pa nga, hindi pa natin natatapos ang entire year, naanata sa 400 and going to 500 and up pa. So yan ang kumbaga, bali as to the percentage of increase, meron na tayong 182% increase against last year, which is yun yung posible na mag-cause na naanata sa pandemic threshold na tinatawag. So, as actually since January 1, nakasaka naman good ang kaso sa tinatawag natin na alert level threshold. So, yun nga, hindi lang natin napansin na nagsugod na pala nung May, naanata sa epidemic. So, ngayon lang natin nakita, of course, due to the series of mga death na nahitabo. So, at least na, we were prompted na to act talaga para bigyan ng serious na attention ang problema natin sa looming problem sa ato ang dengue. Yes.